3 p.m. What are we doing? We are trying. We are not just commemorating. We are making as much as possible the historicity of that event to be present now. That even the time we would like to align ourselves with that which took place 2,000 years ago. Christ died at 3 p.m. That is what the Gospels tell us. And that's why we would like to be alive on that even the time. And that's why we celebrate at the time. So that the event is no longer of the past, the event is of now. It is still now. The second is the simplicity of the celebration. Why? Although it is long but very simple, sober. Why? Because we cannot add any more to what Christ has done, to what Christ has experienced for the love of us. That's all. From the very beginning, kita-kita natin. When the priest would enter the sanctuary, there is something in the solemn procession. The first thing that we do is to kneel down and the priest to fall down. We cannot even see an entrance scene. We cannot add anymore into that. Baka pag magsalita pa tayo, lalo na we will be insulted who is on the cross. And that's why the only thing we can do is to fall down and to kneel down. Look at this. We don't begin in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Why? Because the previous Mass, Holy Thursday, did not end. There was no dismissal. Why? Because it is connected to Good Friday. We start with the